Today we will be talking about the persuasive essay introduction. There are 5 paragraphs in a persuasive essay. This is the first one where we are going to introduce our ideas and give the reader an idea of what we're going to write about. So 3 things you need to include in your introduction: your hook, your thesis, and your 3 points. So the purpose of a hook or an attention getter is to grab the reader's attention and make them want to keep reading. So there's a few different types of hooks that you can choose from. So a generalization, a general statement that would start with the word most. You could include a quote. This is what you would have to look up and make sure you give credit to the person who said the quote, and make sure it's related to your topic. Or a statistic. You would also have to look this up. You would have to do some research here and give credit to where you found that statistic. So a sample introduction might start with a statistic, right? Would start with this information that we found about an average salary for an NBA player, and we gave credit to where we found that information. The next step after we put a hook would be to explain how that hook is related to the rest of our paragraph here. So this person gave the statistic about the average salary for an NBA player and explained while other people are unemployed, other professional athletes, and entertainers make millions of dollars a year. So the thesis is the main point of your whole essay. It's important when we are writing a persuasive essay that we are choosing a side and we are clear about our opinion on that topic, right? Owning a pet is important, or teachers should not assign group projects, or if you pick the other side of this issue, that's fine. But just make sure you're clear. We're not saying like pets can be good and pets can be bad. In a persuasive essay, we need to be clear about the side we chose. So this one is our thesis in blue here. I do not agree that professional athletes and entertainers should earn large sums of money, right? They're clear about the position they're taking on this issue. Then we need to include our 3 points. These are the same 3 points you will talk about in your body paragraphs, right? We're not making up anything new. These are the same 3 points that you planned when you wrote your graphic organizer. These are our 3 main reasons why maybe owning a pet is not a good idea here, or these are 3 main reasons why teachers should assign group projects, right? Same thing. We're not making anything new. We're just stating those same 3 reasons that you're going to write about in your body paragraphs. List them in order, right? So if your first body paragraph is all about how pets are expensive, then your first point that you're listing in your thesis should say, owning a pet is not important because they are expensive, right? And so that would be an example of combining with the thesis. So here's this person's introduction. I do not agree professional athletes and entertainers should earn large sums of money. There's their thesis. Now we're combining with our 3 points because America's in an economic crisis. That's their first body paragraph. They do not teach Americans valuable lessons. That's their second body paragraph. And also the money could be used for medical research. That's their third body paragraph. Okay, so these are the 3 main points that they will talk about in their next 3 paragraphs.